Hello, and welcome back to another video of me showing my app. I have never been so frustrated in my life at this, and I will tell you why shortly. As you can kind of see that I have both screens up. Please tell me I have this open still. Yes, I do. So there's all the things for the geocache that I had completed. That other one is completed too. Here, I'll click on something else. So you can see that it is completed. Now I can get rid of Spencer Carly. Get out of here, bruh. Okay, so here's my database. Yeah, so there's kind of a lot. So I'm going to try to run through this real quickly. I'll start with the server stuff. So, we're going to go into the API. So we have our list index here. That's going to get everything from the list. This is connecting to the database. This is getting, like the star means that it's getting everything. And then it'll return everything as a JSON like item. So we're pretty much just resulting the cache, or the getting the result JSON from the cached items here. And then we have some error handling. Same thing for log find. This is just us getting we're posting everything to the log when we add something to be logged, a new geocache. So yeah, this is the date to test to see if our thing was working. And here's our cache.js. So our cache scheme is the title, description, latitude, longitude, and the found count. These requirements mean that they are required in order to be put into the database. And yeah, cool. So this is pretty much what goes into our database, which I will show you here shortly as well. Let's see. We have our seed and data, which kind of originally seeds it with data, and then this is seeding it into the database. We call that using the yarn run method. And then lastly, we got ourselves up here. Oh, they also have index.js's in these files, just so that we could call them like easier. Something that Spencer Carly did. I understand why, but I also didn't at the same time. This is index.js. We didn't really do much with that. So here is where I got mad. Okay, so I've been having this issue, which I'm going to bring up Slack just so I can show you the picture real quick. So my issue here that I've been salty about has been that I've been getting this error for network requests. And this is the reason why I didn't turn this in earlier. Like, I didn't turn it in on time and I'm a day late. And I had Sai helping me trying to figure out what was wrong. And we're trying the localhost, it's not working. I had HTTPS here. This was HTTPS. All I needed to do was get rid of that, and that error's gone and everything worked. I'm so salty about that. I don't even want to look at this anymore. But this geofetch command is pretty much getting all the data from the geocache. It'll tell you something went wrong, to please try again if something goes wrong. And then we also have this error telling the path. Yeah, I'm very mad. I don't want to look at this file anymore. So let's go to list.js. This is pretty much where we're calling that geofetch, or the geocache list, and getting the response, and that is going to go onto the page. I'll show you everything working here in a moment. This is everything that's getting rendered. And yeah, this is more component stuff. This is getting all the details. We're handling the log press, and this allows for if we find the geocache and we log that we found it, that the found count will go up and all that good junk. And we're rendering everything. This is all the text-based stuff that gets us going. And this is the create a cache function. So if we choose to click the plus sign, we're going to be creating a cache. So we need to get the latitude and longitude. We need to get the title and description. And if we don't have all of those, it'll return an error, because we need to have the title, description, latitude, and longitude, which I will also show here momentarily. So yeah, so that's pretty much it for this. Let's go to here. So as you can see here, if we go to this golf corpses don't lie, we can log it, give it a second, it'll refresh, and it's been found one time. I'm going to ignore that because that error is no longer there. Shoreline, if we log it, I've already logged it 4 times, but I'll log that a 5th time. Here's this one that I just happened to create that has like that random base location. Log, found 2 times. So yeah, so if we want to create it, I can name it Hi, I'm Here. Oh, Will Cook just messaged me on there. Hi, I'm here. This is my location. And then the use current location doesn't actually use the current location, at least on the simulator. It just kind of uses the base Apple location, or the app location. So if I could just do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I don't know if that's actually going to work. And save. That'll be saved there. It'll reload in a minute when I reload the app, but I'm going to show you if you forget to put in the number or the title and description, and you try to save it, it'll say that something went wrong because these are not true. And then I'll also show you if I forget to put something in the latitude. We'll dismiss that and hit save. I think it might just give the, no. Okay, so it didn't actually give that, so to do that too. So I'll save. And let's go back to Visual Studio here. Alongside me pulling this back out, I'm going to just close this out real quickly to show that those did update. Reopening it up on Android. Oh, that is the database. I could actually refresh it on here too. You can see that these have been updated in the database now. Oh god. Did I change that back? Yeah. Well, it worked a second ago. Let me close this out and then start it. Oh my gosh, why did this have to happen again? This is correct, right? HTTP. Yeah, we're opening it out here. This product is giving me a huge headache. I'm very sorry that I'm making you wait now. I'm gonna open this too real quick. I mean, it's oh wow. Oh wow. Yeah, it worked a second ago, but I mean, you saw. Oh, there it is. Never mind. Oh, phew. But yeah, there's the new updates. Oh my gosh, and then you can just start logging them too. Oh my goodness. I was freaking out. I think we're in the middle of the ocean because of where I put those. Probably are. Or maybe I put in my numbers too large enough to just not even exist. But anyway, yeah, that's the app. I'm going to go cry now. Enjoy the rest of your evening. Goodbye.